Iran's peaceful nuclear facilities. It is an outrageous, grave, and unprecedented violation of the fundamental principles of the Charter of the United Nations and international law. The warmongering and lawless administration in Washington is solely and fully responsible for the dangerous consequences and far-reaching implications of its act of aggression. In accordance with the UN Charter and its provisions allowing a legitimate response in self-defense, Iran reserves all options to defend its security, interests, and people.
Menlu Iran Abbas Araghchi pernah mengingatkan akan sangat berbahaya bagi semua pihak jika Amerika Serikat bergabung dalam agresi Israel. Kementerian Luar Negeri Iran juga mengklaim Amerika Serikat yang di tengah-tengah proses diplomatik yang mengkhianati diplomasi.
As everybody knows, we were in the middle of negotiations with the United States, and we were supposed to meet for the 6th round on 15 June. Then all of a sudden, the Israelis decided to attack us on 13, only 2 days before the negotiations. It is obvious that they are against diplomacy. It is obvious that they don't want, a peaceful, settlement of this issue.
Presiden Amerika Serikat Donald Trump mengonfirmasi serangan terhadap 3 situs nuklir Iran di Fordow, Natanz, dan Isfahan. Presiden Trump mengatakan serangan mendatang terhadap Iran akan jauh lebih besar jika tidak ada kesepakatan damai. Trump juga berterima kasih kepada Perdana Menteri Israel Benjamin Netanyahu karena sudah bekerja sama sebagai tim.
Tonight I can report to the world that the strikes were a spectacular military success. Iran's key nuclear enrichment facilities have been completely and totally obliterated. Iran, the bully of the Middle East, must now make peace. If they do not, future attacks will be far greater and a lot easier. I want to thank and congratulate Prime Minister Bibi Netanyahu. We worked as a team like perhaps no team has ever worked before.